Understanding AI-based two-factor authentication.
Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. AI-based 2FA apps use artificial intelligence to make authentication smarter and more convenient. These tools can analyze user behavior, detect suspicious activity, and offer enhanced protection compared to traditional methods. Let's explore how to set up and use an AI-based 2FA app for your online safety.
Choosing the right AI-driven 2FA app.
Start by researching reputable AI-based authentication apps. Look for features like adaptive authentication, biometric support, and fraud detection. Ensure the app is well-reviewed and supported by the services you want to secure. Popular options may include enhanced versions of mainstream authenticator apps that now offer AI-powered security checks and behavioral analysis.
Installing and setting up the app.
Download the AI-based 2FA app from your device's official app store. Follow the installation prompts, then create your account within the app. Enable biometric features if supported, like fingerprint or facial recognition. Most apps will guide you through their setup with clear instructions, making it easy to pair your app with online accounts.
Securing your accounts with AI-driven 2FA.
To secure an account, log in to your online service and visit its security settings. Select two-factor authentication, then choose the option to use an authenticator app. Scan the displayed QR code with your AI-based app or enter the key manually. The app will now generate secure codes or use AI analysis every time you log in.
Using and managing AI-powered authentication.
When logging in, your app will provide a code, biometric prompt, or behavioral analysis to verify your identity. Stay updated by allowing the app to receive security updates. If you change devices, back up your authentication data as recommended. Check periodically for new AI features that can further improve your account protection.